Hi traders. So we did enter the market. So now we are about to close the position. So this is live day trading crude oil market. So I'm about to exit. So hopefully I managed to exit. Okay, 320. So it was a quick one. So let's take a even managed to do a setup from my platform. Then suddenly the market I got triggered and got filled. It was a quick one. So let's take a look on the okay, the time. So we did enter the market at 10:34. So we exit around 40 seconds later. So it was a 40-second trade. Can you believe it? So, but that's the truth. So I did manage to capture it live. You can see earlier when I was not speaking because I'm sending out all the signal. Even this one also I have enough time to say order fill and hit TP. Order fill and hit TP. So it was a quick one, really quick, 40 seconds. Can you believe it? But that's how it is. So 40 seconds. If you watch earlier in this video how the market go to the north direction from the bottom of the price, you can detect somewhere here. So it did a breakout. This is not a breakout strategy. It's just based from my day trading setup for US session. So as for today, we also did enter the same strategy, the same setup for gold futures. So it was an easy one, also profit for 140. So yeah, just nice, both in profit today. So uh okay, I just received one message saying I'm slow because yesterday got much more faster, 3 seconds. So today 40 seconds. uh That was a good one. But there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Maybe it can help you guys in your trading. So like, share, comment, and that's all I can provide you. I think that's all for today. We end this week with the full 5 days trading winning. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.